It's like 5:30 this morning. We're just now getting set up. Just kind of enjoying the morning. This is the routine. Come out here, drink some coffee, shoot some arrows, read the Bible, pray for my friends, my family, our country, shoot some more, head home and start the day. I was talking to my buddy the other day about leveling your sight. I realize I shoot a lot more instinctual. I don't always look at the level of my sight, draw back and aim and shoot. And the more I pay attention to the level of my sight, the more I realize I don't use it all that much. Some people do. It's a good habit to get into when you're first starting off, but I've been shooting for so long and I've got everything down to a rhythm of consistency. I think consistency is the most important thing when it comes to archery. It's a good thing I've got some random stuff in my archery box. What I'm doing is I'm numbering my arrows on their fletchings so I can pay attention to what's going on and what I'm doing in my form. Which arrows are shooting well, which arrows I'm not shooting well. These aren't my hunting arrows. I'm not going to label these for hunting. I am labeling these though for practice. In case I change my hand grip or pull or something, I'll know downrange, yeah, you pulled on that one. You slipped on that one, released too early on. Whatever it is. Mistakes happen. That's just a part of archery. There's a little bunny. What is he at? 54 yards. Little cottontail. Yeah, there's a big difference between hunting and killing. If I was a killer, that cottontail would be dead. But I'm not a killer. I'm a hunter. There's a big difference.